Today on Southern Gardening, we are visiting the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi, where the Pearl River County Master Gardeners have created a stunning display garden. Let's take a closer look at some of the plants growing in this space. One eye-catching plant is Flamma Orange celosia, which produces dense, upright plumes in a brilliant, fiery orange hue that lights up the garden. These feathery flower spikes rise above lush green foliage, adding striking vertical interest. Nearby, burning Embers celosia draws attention with its bold, coppery-bronze to deep burgundy foliage that perfectly contrasts the bright, flame-like blooms, creating a dramatic and colorful display. Mango Tango marigold brings a spicy burst of color with its frilly double blooms in a vibrant mix of gold yellow and deep orange red. Many of the petals are splashed or edged with contrasting tones, giving the flowers a festive bicolor look that really pops. Verbena Vanity adds soft elegance with clusters of vivid lavender-purple flowers atop slender, branching stems. A more compact take on the classic tall verbena, this variety keeps its signature airy grace while offering a more manageable size, perfect for beds and borders. One of my personal favorites is the Profusion Red Yellow Bicolor zinnia, a low-maintenance, long-blooming beauty. Its daisy-like flowers blend rich red centers with bright golden yellow petals, gradually shifting to soft orange as they age. The multi-toned effect adds constant interest and vibrant charm to any sunny space. Consider adding any of these plants to your garden. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.